ಏರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ,
ಏರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕರ 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 ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೆಲ್ಟು ಕುದಿಯೋದು. So to fix the cable to the emergency brake, you need to have a clamp like this. So this much length, because this will get fixed. This can be adjustable. This can get fixed on the cross membrane, and this will hold this groove will hold the cable going to and fro. So if you see here, this will sit like this, and it will get locked. So when you pull, so this should not have any problem. So this is one thing you need to see. If it is not there, you have to get it done. Guys, once the shaft is fixed on the brake drum, this is how it will be. Now the speedometer cable is fixed and the handbrake is operational. So this is how it is. So thank you for watching.